Hello, welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Jyoti Jha and this is your one-stop destination for top trending entertainment stories. On International Women's Day, Absolute Binge Entertainment acquired the story rights of Delhi cop Seema Dhaka, who rescued about 76 children in just 3 months. Now, Absolute Binge Entertainment is the subsidiary company of Absolute India newspaper group owned by Yogendra Chaturvedi. Talking about the importance of women, actor Kareena Kapoor Khan shared a picture of her with a newborn son and expressed her wishes to her fans on International Women's Day, claiming that there is nothing a woman cannot do in this world. Now, similarly, Virat Kohli took to his Instagram account to share a picture of Anushka Sharma with her daughter Vamika and wrote that seeing childbirth is one of the most spine-chilling experiences, after witnessing which you will understand the true strength of women, wishing every woman on International Women's Day. In a recent interview, actor Anushka Sharma opened up about backing women-led films and said that from the initial days of her career, she always knew that she did not want to be boxed as the leading man's arm candy, and that she has been conscious enough to select roles that she felt could contribute towards changing the portrayal of women on screen. Now, the actress in 2015 started her own production house which mostly focuses on women-led films like Bulbul. In the latest, the actress is backing a story titled Mai, starring Sakshi Tanwar. Actor Priyanka Chopra Jonas and singer Nick Jonas, who are mostly busy working in various locations, finally made time and reunited with their family. Now, the couple shared pictures of their family get-together in London. Another picture that caught people's attention is Priyanka Chopra's sweater, which she revealed was knitted by her mother, Madhu Chopra. In a recent interview with Oprah Winfrey on CBS, Prince Harry revealed that he feels let down by his father, Prince Charles. Now, Harry believes that Prince Charles loves his brother, Prince William, more. However, the Prince Harry also said that he will continue to make it one of the priorities to try and heal his relationship with his father and brother. Meghan Markle, who is black and American, in the same interview with Oprah said that while she was pregnant with son Archie, many unidentified royals had concerns and conversations about how dark his skin might be when he is born. Now, Meghan declined to identify these royals, saying it will be damaging to them. However, Meghan said that the concerns were not directly raised to her but to Prince Harry. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex even revealed the gender of the second baby in the interview and said they are expecting a girl. Now, Meghan gave birth to their first son Archie in May 2019. Actor Vidya Balan has said that there was a time when she used to hate her body and her weight had become a national issue. In an interview, the actor said that she is no longer bothered about what people say about the length of her hair, the thickness of her arms, curves, her height, because it doesn't matter, and that she overcame these insecurities over time. Close House 2020 film Nomadland bagged Best Adapted Screenplay, Best Picture, Best Director, Best Cinematographer in the 2021 Critics' Choice Awards. Now, Nomadland stars Francie McDormand as a woman who leaves house to travel around the American West as a van-dwelling modern-day nomad. These were the top trending entertainment stories for the day. For more such updates, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you so much for watching.